This dish is a real firework. It explodes in flavors, noises, and colors. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find the list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Soak the mushrooms for 1 hour. The marinade will make the beef very tender and tasty. Cut the beef into thin slices. Put them in a bowl. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 2 teaspoons of potato starch, 1 teaspoon of rice cooking wine. Beat 1 egg. Add only a half. Mix all together. Let it stand while preparing all the ingredients. Cut the peppers into chunks. Cut the spring onion into sections. Cut the onion into chunks. Crush the garlic clove. Peel it, chop it. Peel the ginger. Grate it. Keep half teaspoon. Remove the mushroom's feet. Cut them into chunks. Now prepare the sauce. Mix 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of black bean paste. Dilute half teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Now we can start the cooking. Fry the marinated beef in hot oil for 30 seconds. Stir. Remove it and drain it. Detach the pieces of beef. Put the sizzling plates on the fire and let it heat up during the final cooking. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the chopped garlic, the grated ginger. Stir for 10 seconds. Put the onion, stir for 10 seconds. Add the pepper, the mushrooms, the beef, the sauce, 10 centiliters of water. Cook for 2 minutes and stir from time to time. Add the diluted starch. Mix for 10 seconds. Put the spring onion, Mix and cut off the fire. Place the sizzling hot plates on its board. Pour the sauté beef on the plate. Enjoy when it's hot. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my recipe. Rendezvous in my next homemade dish video.